A worn chain leads to poor shifting performance and can accelerate wear of other drivetrain components. The CC-4 chain checker is a simple, easy-to-use chain wear gauge that accurately indicates when a chain has reached 0.5% and 0.75% wear, the points at which most manufacturers suggest replacement. The design of the CC-4 contacts a chain in 3 places, providing an accurate measurement on all 5 to 12-speed bicycle chains, including SRAM AXS 12-speed chains. Here's how to use the CC-4.
To use the CC-4 chain checker, engage the hook tip behind a roller. We recommend engaging on the inner plates. The tool is engaged here, then the tension tip is lowered inside, and now pressure is maintained. Recommend using 2 fingers and keeping constant pressure here. This ensures that this roller is tight against that hook. Now we try and lower the gauge tip down behind the chain. It is not dropping down at all here. This chain is not worn to the 0.5% mark.
All right, on this bike, we're going to engage the hook tip, then we're going to engage the tension tip, then use 2 fingers to add tension, and then we're going to use our gauge tip to try and slip it into the chain. On this chain, you can see it slips into the 0.5 section of this chain checker, but will not go to the 0.75. So this chain is worn to 0.5%.
It doesn't matter whether you check the upper or lower section of the chain, it's the same procedure. We'll begin with the hook. We'll engage the tension tip, apply pressure, then we're going to bring down the gauge tip. In this case, drops fully in. This chain wore out at least to 0.75, maybe more. This chain's ready for replacement.
Drivetrain manufacturers may have specific chain wear recommendations, but here are some basic guidelines. 11 and 12 speed chains should be replaced once they reach 0.5% wear. Chains for 10 speed and under should be replaced as they reach 0.75% wear. If a chain is worn beyond 0.75%, the chain should be replaced immediately.